humid today, but all eyes are on the disturbances out west that could bring changes for us this Memorial Day weekend.
And that disturbance is in the southwest. It is moving north. How much it could impact here in South Florida is what we're all wondering.
CBS 4 Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer is here now with the various models and what they are predicting. Craig.
Still lots to learn here as we go through the week, as the system becomes a little better organized and gets closer to us. So a lot of unknowns is probably the way to put it. But here it is right now. It's down here to the southwest part of Cuba. It's over here in the northwest Caribbean. It's just a weak disturbance. It's located right there, and all the big thunderstorms being pushed away by upper level wind shear, so the environment right now is unfavorable for development. However, this surface feature is forecast to move to the north into an environment that's a little more favorable, lower wind shear, and still relatively high humidities, so there's a medium development potential. But whether this system develops or not, it is going to be pulling a lot of moisture with it, because the computer models are forecasting it to move to the north. Various models now starting to be run on it, and the more reliable models are over here in the central Gulf, maybe in the eastern Gulf. But regardless of if it is a classified tropical system or just a disturbance that drags moisture with it, it is definitely going to drag the moisture. In fact, computer models showing deep tropical moisture coming up by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and that means the potential for heavy rainfall returns to South Florida. Here's what's going on right now, though. It's going to be a nice evening, just some clouds and some spotty sprinkles here or there. Nothing too heavy rainfall-wise. And taking us through the rest of the week, some clouds and showers tomorrow, spotty storms Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday, and on Sunday. Even on Monday, unfortunately, the Memorial Day weekend, it really depends on how close that system gets to us and how much rain it brings our way. Hopefully we'll know more as we go through the week. Over to you.
All right, Craig, thanks. Well, Governor Rick Scott getting a briefing on the weather system this morning from the Florida Division of Emergency Management. And although, as Craig said, it's not likely to develop into something more significant for us, the governor is warning all Floridians, especially those in Gulf Coast communities, to be prepared. In anticipation of heavy rain and flooding, he directed the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission to get the agency's high water vehicles and other flood response resources in place for rapid deployment if needed. And here's a reminder that you can track weather wherever you are at any time. Just download the CBS Miami weather app onto your smartphone. You can find it in the iTunes or Google Play Store.